While traveling on the road, you must have noticed electric poles on the roadside. While watching these from the window of your moving vehicle, these seems moving in the backward direction, one after the other. Do these poles really move in the backward direction? Actually, the poles are at rest, and it is your vehicle which is moving in the forward direction. How can we say that? Just observe which of the two objects is changing its position with respect to time and its original position. Here, it is vehicle that changes its position while poles remain static. Therefore, we can say that an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to time. On the other hand, if the object does not change its position with respect to time and its original position, it is said to be at rest. Further, a body that seems to be at rest with respect to one object may appear to be in motion with respect to another object. For instance, a person sitting in the moving train seems to be in motion to a person sitting on a platform, while the same person seems to be at rest to his co-passenger in the train. Thus, we can say that motion and rest are relative terms and applies for a particular object with respect to its surroundings.